Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I am here with the new script of Hyip Max complete investment website. So this is the Hyip Max latest script version 10. So this is the completely new in market. As you can see, the universe theme of Hyip Max investment system. So if you want to buy this script from us, do contact us on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is in description. You can contact us and buy this script, or you can visit our website to buy this script. So let's go to our website websparrow.in. You can visit this website and you can buy this script from us, and you can buy any other script if you want. So here you have to click on browse all items, and here is the script Hyip Max investment system. So you just have to click on it. So you can see the theme 5+ template and mobile app view. This is the latest theme of Hyip Max. And when you click on preview, you can also watch the demo of this website, and these are all the details of admin and other. So you can easily buy the script. Its price is $25, which is 50% low than market. So you just have to click on proceed to check out. And here, if you are from Pakistan, you can buy through EasyPaisa or local bank. But if you are a foreigner or you are from any other country, here is the option of WhatsApp live chat. You can contact us on WhatsApp and we will approve your order and give you the script. So choice is yours. You can buy through this website or you can directly contact us on WhatsApp. So now let's go to our homepage of Hyip Max and let's explore the feature of this website. And if you need the complete website with domain name and hosting, we also provide the complete websites. So first of all, here you can see the amazing homepage of this theme, and this is a completely animated homepage. You can change this text from admin panel, as this website is admin panel. You can use admin panel to customize the complete website. Here is the about section. You can add about yourself. You can change these images from admin panel. And here is the plan section. You can see how amazing its plan section is, and you can add your plan according to yourself from admin panel easily. So this is the plan section. This is a profit calculator. You can calculate your profit, and here are some other section information related to the website, and here is how you can create account, choose plan and get profit on this website. So this is a frequently asked question section. These are the top investors of this website, and here you can see the transactions, latest transaction on this website. So you can see withdrawals and latest invest transactions. So these are all the reviews of customers. This is the latest news section. This is a newsletter and Hyip Max. And you can change the logos and text through admin panel. And you can also visit these pages separately. When I click on investment plans section, so these are all the investment plans. So this is the about page. You can visit these pages separately, and here is a contact page. So viewers, now let's sign up to our user account and see how our user panel will looks like. So I will click on sign up, and if you don't have an account, you have to sign up. As I already have an account on this website, now I'm just directly logging into my account. So I have to enter my email and then I have to enter my password here. So click on login, and you can see the amazing dashboard of this website. First of all, you can see the account balance, which is 500 USD, and it is completely in mobile app view. So you can use it easily on mobiles. Here you can see the total withdrawals, total invest, total deposits, and some other information. You can invest in current plans. You can see your pending invest, your pending withdrawals, pending earn. Here is your referral link. You can invite your friends from this link. And here is the investment plans section. So from here you can invest in different plans. You just have to select the payment gateway and you can easily invest in the plans. So these are all the payment gateways. So here's the deposit section. So you can easily deposit money from using any of the gateway. You can deposit money. Same case with withdraw. You can transfer money from this app to any other account. So here are the interest logs, transaction logs. You can see the referral logs. You can enable, disable two-factor authentication. And here is also the option of support ticket. You can generate the tickets from this option. So here's the option of log out, and you can see your current plans from this option. So this is the general overview of the user dashboard. Now we are going to see the options of admin panel. So now let's go to admin panel and see how it looks like. So I will type /admin and it will redirect me to my admin panel. So this is the admin panel of Hyip Max, and this is the dashboard. First of all, here you can see the total invest, total pending invest, total interest amount, total users on your site, and here you can see total gateways. And most amazing thing is that you can also see the graphs related to investment and withdrawal reports. And here are the details of all the users on your website. When you click on manage role, you can manage the roles related to, for example, you can create a sport team, you can create a manager or editor on the site from here, and you can add any other role from here easily. And here you can manage admins from this manage admin option. You can create new admin of the site, and from manage plans you can insert new plan on your site or edit the existing plans. For example, if you want to insert the new plan, you just have to click on add new, and by filling these simple details you can add the new plan on your site. So this website is easily customizable and it is very convenient to use and manage. And here's a schedule option. You can create a schedule for your plan according to yourself. So these are all the user options. So you can manage the user related activities from here. You can add balances to their account, see their details, emails. You can change their details from here. So this is very simple and easy to use. So these are the user options, and here are the tickets. You can view user tickets and reply to their ticket. You can manage user referrals. You can create different levels of referrals from here, and you can edit all these details from here. And here is the option of manual payments. You can manage all the manual payments from this section, and you can approve them, you can disapprove them, or you can reject them. So this is the withdraw. You can manage all the withdrawals from here. You just have to click on manage withdraw, and you can approve or reject withdrawal request from here. So here are the manage deposits. Similarly, like a withdrawal, you can approve and manage the deposits of users. So here you can accept withdrawal request or you can reject them from here easily. So this is the gateway settings. So you can create manual gateway such as EasyPaisa or any local gateway, or you can use any of the automatic payment gateways. So these are all the automatic payment gateways, you can use them. So here is the email manager. You can set up email related activities, or you can set up your email settings from here, or you can change your email template. So from general settings, basically here you can change site title, site base color, time zone, and some other sections or some other activities of the website. You can change logos, images on the site from here easily. So you can turn on off SMS verification, email verification easily from here, or you can change the text or related settings of this website. So some other options are preloader settings. You can use Google Analytics, cookies consent, Google reCAPTCHA. You can insert live chat on your website. And here is a global. You can manage SEO of your website. You can manage language. From manage theme, so here you can see that there are 5 themes on this website: gold theme, green theme, white theme, purple, and this is the latest one, universe theme. So you can use any of the theme. It is very easy to use. You just have to click on activate and the theme will be activated. So you can also click on preview to view the themes from here. So you can also manage user interest log, commissions logs. You can manage the front end settings from here, and you can change the text on various pages. For example, if I want to change the banner section, you can easily change the banner of this website. You just have to click on choose file and insert your own image, and you can change this text from here. And this is a description. You can easily change this description from here. Similarly, you can manage all the sections that are on your website. It is very easy to use and customizable. So viewers, this is a general overview of this site. Now if you want to buy the script, do contact us and we will provide you the script. And thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.